Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: KleerCo supplies an underhood emissions control air pump to the automotive industry. The pump is vacuum powered and works while the engine is operating, cleaning the exhaust by pumping extra oxygen into the exhaust system. If a pump fails before the vehicle in which it is installed has covered 50,000 miles, federal emissions regulations require that it be replaced at no cost to the vehicle owner. The company's current air pump lasts an average of 63,000 miles with a standard deviation of 10,000 miles. The number of miles a pump operates before becoming ineffective has been found to be normally distributed for the current pump design. What percentage of the company's pumps will have to be replaced at no charge to the consumer? B. What percentage of company's pump will fail at exactly 50,000 miles? C. What percentage of the company's pump will fail between 40,000 and 55,000 miles? D. For what number of miles does the probability become 80% that a randomly selected pump will no longer be effective? And answer the question is: the pump is vacuum powered and works while the engine is operating, cleaning the exhaust by pumping extra oxygen into the exhaust system. If a pump fails before the vehicle in which it is installed has covered 50,000 miles, federal emission regulations require that it be replaced at no cost to the vehicle owner. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.